Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today a little tutorial on how to create an entire calendar year, saving a lot of time. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell for the other tutorial. As always, I'm using Adobe InDesign and also a script that I found on this site, sourceforce.net. And here you have to search for this Adobe InDesign calendar wizard, and here you can download it for free. Here we are. I have it already, so I click cancel. Then you have to install on InDesign. You can find the link to install on InDesign in the info box. Once you install the script, you will find here. For today's project, we are going to use Calendar Wizard JS. If you don't see these windows, go to Windows, Utility, and click on Scripts. Let's start with our project. Open a new document. I will use a A4 landscape and deselect facing pages. I have here only one page. I go to Open Calendar Wizard.js. In these windows, there are so many options. Feel free to experiment. I'm going to create a regular calendar from January to December 2023, but you can choose 2 or 3 years at once and more. Here you can choose the language. In my case, I choose English. Here the format of the day, of the week. I choose 3 letters. If you want to start on Monday, or on Sunday, as you prefer. Here you have a lots of choice. Moon phases, highlight the holiday, and so on. I stay simple today. Here, if you want only the months or year and months together. Here, leave auto. You can add a mini calendar to every page. I deselect text layer, calendar per page 1, and here select current document. In the dimension of A4 and then click OK. As you can see, every page has a month's calendar complete. Now our calendar has this layout. Let's change the aspect of it. We can do it all at once using the paragraph styles and the table and cell styles. Don't worry, because it's very simple and intuitive, and this will save you a lot of times. I'm going to change the colors, the sizes of the lines and the characters. Go to table style, cal date, table setup, and here 0.25 points. And I choose blue color. Then row stroke, custom row, blue color, and 0.25 points. Also for the next 2 rows, the same value and color. Then column stroke, custom column, and put the same value, 0.25 and blue color, and click OK. As you can see, all the pages have the same style now. Very good. Now I'll go to Cell Style because I don't like this line over there. Click inside this cell and highlight, then Cell Style. As you can see, Cal Title is already selected. Double click and we are going to change in Stroke and Fills the value of this line. I want that these lines have value 0 points and click OK. The upper line and the lateral are disappeared in every pages, as you can see. Now I'm going to change the character and the colors. To do so, go to Paragraph Style. As soon as this black arrow appears, click and all the cell would be selected. Double click on Cal Title. In the basic character format, you can change your font and the size of the font. I choose Monaco and I reduce to about 25 points. Then character color. Here I choose magenta 50%. In indent and spacing you can change the alignment. I choose left justify and click OK. Also in this case, in every pages we can see the changes we made. Same thing for the days of the week. Select all and choose as before, Paragraph Style, double click on Cal Day, and here we made our arrangement. I choose Monaco 10 point, all caps, and I choose optical. The alignment, I leave it in the center, and I change the color in magenta about 60% and click OK. As you can see, every page is the same. Now same thing for the numbers. Select all and again go to Paragraph Styles to do your choice. Cal Day is selected automatically. Double click on Cal Date and here do your arrangement. I choose Monaco 8 points and I change the color in this dark blue 80%. And then click OK. And here we have our calendar to copy and paste in our digital planner. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.